So we just finished at Macro. We got all my detergents, cosmetics and stuff. We still need to get more stuff at Discam, so we didn't get everything just yet, but we got most of the things that I need. Guys, did I show you my hair? My hairdresser, she ate. We will be going back home now. Waiting for my mom to get back. Let me catch you guys up while we're sitting here waiting for my mom. Next week I'm traveling. If you want to know where, just watch the videos. So I need lots of things because I'll be gone for a really long time. I need everything that I can get here. I'm so excited. I told you my nails are done. My hair doesn't look cute right now, but like it's super cute. I just have to go home and fix it because it's becoming fuzzy and stuff. I'm super excited because I've been preparing for this for a really long time. Since like last year I've been preparing. Last year I was on my gap year, and in the beginning of this year I was also preparing for this, so it's finally happening. So I'm so excited, guys. I don't like talking too much in my videos because I don't want to make them long because people have a short attention span. This is all I can say, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
Not even clickbait, it's literally the truth. We went to Postnet to sort out some documents that I need before I leave the country. Then we went to NetBank to sort out my bank so that I can be able to use my card overseas. And then we went to SARS. Guys, I don't even know what people do at SARS, but we went there. And finally, after all that, we went to the Mark. I love the Mark. I love the ambience. I love everything about it. We went to Tasha's there, and specifically this Tasha's because they're the only people that get it right. We come here for the bolognese. Literally all the time when we come here, we come for the bolognese. That's me looking at the menu, acting like I don't know what I'm gonna get, even though I know what I came here for, which is this amazing bolognese. Guys, you have to try it, and you have to go to the Tasha's in the Mark to try it. This bolognese is so good. It is so good. I had to have it as one of my last meals in South Africa. I mean, I'm coming back, guys. I'm gonna say that, but yeah, you get it. On this day, I went to the mall to gather a few last things that I need before I left. I went to Factory. I didn't need to go to Factory, but they had a sale, so I had to stop by there and buy some things. And then I went to Typo. I was looking for a backpack to use like at the airport and stuff to put in like small things into. And then after Typo, I headed to Discam to go get the few last detergents that I wasn't able to get at Macro. And I found everything at Discam, and I also went to Clicks as well. So it wasn't just Discam, I also went to Clicks. I got everything I was looking for, and yeah, it was really good. after getting everything that I needed, I went around the mall and did some window shopping. That's one of my favorite things to do when I'm alone in the mall. I love window shopping. I like looking at things that I'm not gonna get. I don't know, it satisfies my eyes, I guess. And H&M is one of the places I love window shopping at. They just have the best stuff, and it's actually quite affordable. Actually, it's not that bad. And then I went to Zara for this mirror.
I'm home. I bought a few things, but they were so expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul for you guys later because my room is a mess.
Here comes Jenna with the haul.
And this is everything. My bed's a mess, but my mom's bed. But this is everything. It's my bag. It's currently midnight, 12:30, and I've been attempting to sort out the clothes that I'm taking with me and the clothes that I'm not taking with me. And this is what my bed looks like right now. You might not be able to tell, but these are actually two separate piles. This pile is staying. That pile is coming with me. Hi guys. Things that I ordered off of Shein arrived this morning, but because I couldn't get a hold of them because I was sleeping, I didn't get the order, so they went with my stuff. So I texted them and asked them to come back. Guys, I'm here with Fefe. Rooftop. We're on rooftop to take pictures. We literally came to the mall to take pictures. It's crazy. Well, our transport is behind us, but we're waiting for our transport driver. Hey guys, we're back home, and I got my Shein order, so we will be doing a Shein haul. Guys, Fefe has been helping me, and we got most things like packed already. This jacket that you're seeing here, this is one jacket. It's so big. It was gonna take up so much space if I didn't have like a luggage thingy my bobby. So thanks to this, it's just taking up this much space now. And thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. I'm so tired.
Guys, my friend is so tired. She literally wants to sleep. Yeah, my favorite humans. Hello, favorite humans.
Hi.
Hi.
Guys, guess who's driving? My friend is driving. Ah! It's today.
We're in the vehicle and we're going to Rosebank.
raising of Lazarus was the last one. I'm going to go quickly here. Then the 7 identities of...
I didn't get to freshen up. I look like I woke up just. This is basically breakfast. I'm chilling here with Dante. Say bye, Senna, because Senna's leaving tomorrow. Bye bye. Say bye bye.